Yo, rest in peace. Rest in peace.
2 a.m. just got out of the bar, headed toward my car. Me and Castro kinda blown cause we parked so far. Walking down the street, spot a couple goonies on the creep, pocket full of cash, so we dash fast to avoid they ass, cause we know they trailin', now we on the run. Heavily inhaling, excelling as I begin to caress my gun. We getting closer to our destination. I always mind my business, but somehow find myself in these situations.
YouTube, I'm about to go to Arby's, do some other stuff, and enjoy the vlog. My first time trying on KDACs on my brothers.
Lover, praying to God that tonight wasn't my last supper, cause they trying to spill my blood and break me for this bread. Motherfucker, take all this lead, yeah, that's what I said. That's 2 down and 2 to go, but then the others disappeared, yo. So now we on the road, finally made it back to the car. My homie thinking that we all good, but hold up, there they are, bucking fast in the XLR. Goddamn, what a mission. Thought process, keys to ignition, trying to ditch them. So now we in a whip speeding, dodging bullets as we proceeding to my man Limbo. These bammers trying to play us like Nintendo? Hell no, hit him on the phone, let him know that we wasn't alone. Coming through the zone, my homie picked up before the dial tone. What up, my man, what's good, is everything okay? Hell nah, get your heater and be ready to spray. Pulled up to his crib and my man was ready to go, jumped in the back with a semi-automatic, busting erratic, quite the lethal weapon addict, so we let him have it. Weaving in and out of traffic until we lost him, whipping for a couple minutes, wishing we could've tossed. So now I'm driving, thanking God that I'm still surviving. Received a call from my man boss who was chilling and vibing. Said he was on the road, found out about a block away. So I said, let's get up, I got a story that'll blow you away. Couple minutes passed, met up at a red light, called him on the cell, he said, let's hit this deli and grab a bite. So now it's me, Limbo, and Castro inside of my car, plus my homie boss trailing behind us, but not too far. Now we on the strip, everybody cool and legit, till I hear my man Castro yell out, oh shit. Here come the motherfuckers again out the blue like a crib. They must have followed us, trying to take out the whole lot of us. Now they bustin' at bars, one blew his tire, made him crash, now they coming for ours. I hit the UE while my man blast, hit the passenger in the dome, now his brains up on the dash. The driver stopped, trying to clean the blood off of the glass, giving us just
I'm in the studio. Check, now I'm not in the studio, I'm just playing about to play some 2K16 on PS4. I still got my old gamer tag. If you guys did not follow me on my gaming YouTube channel, it's right here. Can you Call of Duty? Add me on there. I'll bust some people in 2K, but first I gotta get plus again. This might be the end of the vlog. I'm not sure. Depends if I go out. I was about to say go on, but go outside and play basketball. I'm not sure if this might be the last clip. So if this is the last clip, hit that like button and subscribe button. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life. This is Kenny Has Life. Peace out, I think.